Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to run Windows applications on your Linux system, Wine is your best friend. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Wine on Ubuntu 24.04 step by step, even if you're brand new to Linux. So let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your system is up to date. Open your terminal and run this command to update your package list and install any upgrades. Wine needs 32-bit architecture to run some Windows applications. This command enables it. Next, create a keyring directory and download the Wine repository key. The following command creates the keyrings directory and sets its permissions. Wine provides a repository key used to verify the integrity and authenticity of packages downloaded from its repository. Next, download the repository key and save it to the keyring directory you just created. Now we'll add the official winehq repository to make sure we're getting the latest version of Wine. Now update your sources again and install Wine with all recommended packages. This will give you the stable version. Now install Wine with this command. This will install Wine along with recommended dependencies. Grab a coffee, it might take a minute. Verify the installation using this command. This command checks that Wine is installed and shows the version. If you see the version, then you are good to go. To configure Wine, execute the following command. This will create a configuration environment in your home directory. Shortly after, a Wine GUI will appear, prompting you to install the Wine Mono package required for running applications. Simply click the Install button to proceed. Next, the Wine configuration interface will appear. This setup allows you to add and manage Windows applications. Since Wine emulates the Windows environment on top of Linux, the configuration panel provides options to adjust graphics settings like screen resolution. You can also configure drives and audio settings through this interface. Let's try running a Windows program. Download a .exe file, then run it. Make sure you have enough memory, like 8 gigabytes. To install the VLC, run this command, or to make it much easier, just change directory to the downloaded file and run the command wine. Just replace vlc.exe with the name of your file. Wine will set up a Windows-like environment the first time you run it. Let us try running another Windows app without the virtual desktop. And that's it. Wine is now installed and ready to go on Ubuntu 24.04. You can start running your favorite Windows apps without leaving Linux. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tips.